On behalf of the consortium and the GenoMed for All radiomics use case in sickle cell disease, we are presenting an oral abstract regarding the first analysis of the radiomics sickle cell disease part. And first of all, I'd like to say that the GenoMed for All is a EU-funded project involving 23 centers in Europe, and the fascinating thing is that it involves hematologists, neuroradiologists, and artificial intelligence experts and bioinformatics. So it groups together different expertises.
Could help us to reprogram life. It gives scientists more power and precision than they ever had to alter human DNA.
A new CRISPR treatment for sickle cell disease is nearly 100% effective. Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder that deforms red blood cells, causing anemia and intense pain. The new therapy is a one-time treatment that genetically modifies the patient's cells, allowing their blood to function normally. Over 2 years after the trial, 73 of the 75 patients remain cured.
Are we playing God?
We've been integrating ourselves with technology for decades now, replacing damaged limbs with mechanical limbs, implanting data chips into our bodies, which give away huge amounts of information to governments and corporations all across the globe.
At no point have they thought about the consequences of their actions. They actively encourage you to exchange your perfectly functional body parts for upgraded augmentations. What they are doing is ethically and morally wrong, and they should be brought to justice.
Growing numbers of people experiencing
Today, Seraph Industries signed a new historic military deal.
I know that they are creating mass quantities of military-grade augmentations. I've seen testing on them, and it's very scary types of alterations.
They want to systematically turn us into machines and pump us full of their drugs.
You have to take neuropozyne, one of the most dangerous and addictive drugs that exists in the world today.
You'll have to take this drug for the rest of your life. If you don't, your body will reject your augmentations. It's a drug that's priced so highly that we are now seeing cases of high-profile people who are now out on the streets and they are begging. They are begging for drugs. They'll have their technology in your body. They could have the power to turn off your limbs, the potential to turn off your eyes. They'll be able to send messages to your brain and control your thoughts as if they have the power of God.